Airgun dot. You guys ever seen these before? We're going to play darts with an airgun, but like real darts. So we have these beautiful darts, and obviously a dartboard. Today's going to be fun. Okay, I've had to take my dartboard down because it's actually next to the window, and I do not trust myself to shoot that close to a window, even though it's quite far. So we'll set up at about 6 meters. Now, this is a great idea. The only problem is if I open this up, I should have expected this really. Look how long they are, which is fine. But I was planning on using, these are 177 by the way, so get one out. Nice long pointing dart, it's like 9-inch long, something like that. I was planning on using air rifles for it and doing it down the garden and doing accuracy and all that sort of thing. Problem with that is, how do I load it into there? So we're not using this bad boy. These look like great fun, but it's going to be break barrels only. And I've only got two 177 break barrels and they're both pistols. Which is a massive shame. I really want to do it, full length garden. But never mind, we're at about 6 meters now. As you can see. As usual, I've never used these before, so see what they do. Right, ooh, we'll start with a pink. Okay, sweet. The aim for the bullseye, just want to actually hit the board for now. Wow, okay, that's accurate. Didn't think they'd be this accurate. This could be a good game. You get two colours, got two guns. But it's just me, so. Oh. Okay. Before we go any further, I can tell you now, this is a great game. It's a great idea if there's two people. How many do we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 10 in a pack, 5 each, so we'll fire all 10. Random places, get used to it. Let me see if I can think of some sort of game to do. So I'm going to go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or 1 through 5. I can't actually see that one. I hope I'm not going too far in the board as well. I hope I'm not too close. That's actually something I should check right now. Okay, that one completely bent. Assuming it hit part of the metal or something, I don't know. But yeah, they're going quite far in. Whoa, there you go, there you go. I even get them out. I actually can't get them out. They come out fairly easy with the pliers. Very easy, in fact. Doesn't seem to be any damage. Let's go again. Oh, what is that? You could fly on me coffee?
Like and subscribe, please.
We're not posh around here. Alright, let's go again. We are missing one pink. So far I'm impressed. Oh, actually, I'll use this gun. This is an old cheap thing. This won't be as powerful. This may be better for it at this distance. Oh, it's a mile out. One for bullseye again. But that just fall at the end of. That just fell at the end of the gun. It went about 3 feet. I think that's this gun, to be fair. That gun is really old. It was like £20 or something. Stick with this one. Yep, going for bull. Look at that. Right. We'll do what I was going to do before. Fire a few shots. One through something or other. What am I doing? I don't want to go for one. I want 220s. Ooh. Can't see that one. In 5. I can just see that one. So this is great. I know it's really sad because I'm by myself, but it's a good idea. It's great how they come in 2 colours as well. So if you actually have friends and you're not a weird sado like me, this would be great. But I'm still enjoying it. I mean, they were only cheap, about £6, £6 something, a box of 10. 5 different colours. I got 2 packets. So they are pretty cheap, as long as you can keep reusing them. Let's push it back a bit. Okay, well, we're a good 10 metres now, at least. We're going to play best 2 out of 3. Greens versus pinks. I know, but I'm by myself. I've got to think of something to do. 3 darts with greens, 3 darts with pinks. Who gets a high score? Best 2 out of 3. I can't see from here. No idea. Ooh. I can see a bit of green near the treble 20 though. Could be, could be. Oh, we got one. We got one, we got one, we got one. Okay, 60, 75, 95. Get. 95 to beat. The only problem is I tried to just use one hand because I was holding the camera and I've chewed the end of that one. So use 2 hands. Be very gentle when you're taking them out. So we'll not use that one anymore. Right, pinks. 95 to beat. Come on. We got this. We got this. Ooh. No, I can't see that one. Oh no, I can. In the 1. Double 1. Don't think I've been 95. Oh, that's rubbish. 20, 38, 40. 40 for the pink. So girls, you're losing. Back to the greens. If the greens get this round, they have won. In fact, that's own Olympics. Forget that Paris 2024 stuff. Ooh, I think it's in the 5. Oh, not bad. Oh, decent. Looks decent. 55. Right, I think the pinks can pull this back. Can we go for a tiebreaker here? Oh, we're shooting like that, they won't. Maybe I should go for bullseye. I was quite good at bullseye. Okay, 2 shots left. I'm going to go for bullseye. Shouldn't have done it. Come on. I actually need at least a bullseye to win, I think. Ooh. I didn't actually see what that was, but I know it was a lot less than 55. Greens win. Pink sucks. So what do you guys think about that? That's my second packet. That would be great. Honestly, that would be brilliant if there was 2 people. That would just a nice relaxed day, maybe have a few beers, obviously not too many. That would be great fun. That is really cool. I'm just a bit devastated I haven't got a rifle I can put them in. Try it at full range, that would be pretty good too. Oh, also, there was a couple of crazy guys called Shoot Fish Productions that I've seen this on their channel. I never knew these existed until I watched their video. Then I was like, I'm getting me some of them. So I definitely have to give them a shout, because if I hadn't seen their video, I wouldn't have got these. And they are fun. £6 out each. Good fun. Worth it.